Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Anna's Alcove. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35O palette, which I showed off in my, what favorites was it? January favorites video. So if you guys have not seen that video, go watch it right now. I show a lot of the great stuff that I've been using. And also if this video, the background or like the lighting, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it all out. But yeah, I'm kind of using like makeshift things, so hopefully it looks okay. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and want to see more makeup videos. And I already have my hair up, so we're ready to start, and I'm going to show you guys all the products that I'm using. So the very first step that I always start off with, hold on. Okay, the very first step that I always start off with is my Maybelline Dream BB Cream. And I love this stuff. Right now I'm in the shade Light Sheer Tint in 100. Okay, so I'm just going to take that on a damp beauty blender. Blend this all out on any blemishes or any problem spots, anything like that, areas that there's redness. Oh, and I also took my BB cream down my neck to make sure that like it's the same tone. So then, oh, also this was in the shade 30, light medium. And then I'm gonna go in with this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector in the shade Fair 05. This stuff also has, gotta use this again. This stuff also has, this stuff also has sunscreen in it, so I really like that about it. So I just do triangles under my eye. Not just one eye. And then I just blend this all out. And I really like this. One tip I have for you guys, I did not know this until I went to Sephora one time and they were like, yeah. But they told me that your under eye concealer is supposed to be one shade lighter than your like other concealer, like spot concealer. So if you did not know that, because I didn't know that a couple months ago, definitely make sure you're doing that. And then I'm also putting it a little bit on my eyes to prime them for eyeshadow. The next step, and I'm going to move my mirror up closer so I can actually see it. Okay, so then the next step that I'm going to be doing is using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. If you guys cannot tell, wait, I skipped a step. But if you guys cannot tell, like, I love the products that I use, so like once I found one good one, then I pretty much just stick to that. This one is the L'Oreal True Match from, Powder in Natural, or Neutral 4. And then I'm just going to take my Too Faced bronzer on this little tiny brush and contour. Okay, so I changed the lighting, hopefully that's a little bit better. So I did the contour on both sides, and I just like to make sure that it's all blended out. And then the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take it again, and I'm going to put it up in my hairline, I guess you call it, like your forehead, to contour that a little bit. And then I'm also just going to do it a little bit under my chin. This is supposed to just kind of make you look like you have a more defined jawline. So when you do this, make sure that you really blend it out, because the first time I did this, my mom was like, Anna, do you have like something on your chin? And I was like, no, I don't think so. And she was like, oh yeah, I think it's makeup. And I was like, oh, my bad. So then I just take a big fluffy brush, kind of blend this all in just to make sure it's all even, that kind of stuff. Then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. blush palette. It's in the shade Light. And there's 4 shades in here, which I love, and it has a mirror too. So I'm going to be using this top shade right here. This is literally the only shade that I ever use, and I'm just using an Ulta brush. And I love this shade. It makes me happy. So I just kind of smile when I put it on because it helps find where the natural apples of your cheeks are. Pro tip. And then I'm going to be taking this brush, which is not a highlighter brush, but I'm going to use it anyways for highlighter. And this is like something I got in Ulta collection, so this is what it looks like. Again, it has a mirror, but it has a ton of stuff. So I'm going to be using this gold one right here, because this one is so pretty. So I just kind of dab my brush in there a little bit. And then I make a C shape. So from here to here, a little C. Okay, here we go. I haven't really planned out what colors I'm going to be using yet, so this is going to be interesting. But I have the Morphe 35O palette. Obviously, you don't need to have this palette to do this makeup look. Any palette that kind of is red, brown, orange shades. And again, you don't even need all those colors. So the very first brush that I'm going to be using is this e.l.f. contour brush. And I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. This like orangish, light orange shade. And I'm just going to be putting that all over the lid. And if you have eyeshadow primer, I definitely recommend using that. I don't have any, so like I said, I just put concealer, and I'm just doing that on both eyes. And then we're going to go in with this crease brush. This is again from Ulta. It was also in my favorites video. And I'm going to be taking this really deep brown right here. I don't think I've ever used this color. And I'm just going to be putting that right on the outer corner. Concentrating that there. So not in the crease, just on the outer corner. And as you guys can see, it's kind of a dark color. But don't worry, we're going to blend it out. So yeah, it kind of looks weird right now. But that's okay, because we haven't blended it out yet. Okay, so then the next color that I'm going to be taking in my crease, I'm just going to kind of tap off my brush because you don't want to have like the excess on it. Then I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's another like red color. And I'm going to be taking this into the outer corner and into the crease. And this one just gives you kind of like a really nice finish, I guess. And I really like putting eyeshadow in the crease because it helps kind of give your eyes depth, makes them look really nice. So then I'm going to be taking this brush. This brush. This is another brush that I showed in my favorites video, but right now I'm going to be taking this lighter shade up here, this one, and I'm just going to be putting that one kind of just all in the inner corner, just because I haven't put anything there yet. And so you want everything to kind of just blend together. That's your goal, I guess, with this look so far. So then I'm just going to quick take a blending brush and blend them all out, or blend both of them out. And so this is kind of what it looks like right now. And then I'm going to go back in with this crease brush, and I'm going to go in with this red color right here. Because if you cannot tell, it's not super red yet. And I really like the red look, so I'm just concentrating this on the out corner and into the crease a little bit. And you don't need a lot, especially if you have this palette. This palette is really, really, really pigmented, so you don't need a ton of color on the brush, which is really nice. And now I'm going to go back in with this little eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take this orange shade right here and put that in the middle, because I haven't done anything. I'm more doing it like on the lash line of your upper lash, obviously. And then with this color, this is going to be the last color that I'm going to use. I'm going to take this super, super pretty shimmery color right there, and I'm going to put that all in the inner corner. And you really want to pack this on because this is like a beautiful shade, and it's just kind of like the statement shade, I feel like. Again, if you have this palette, it's super pigmented. You don't need a ton of it. And I've barely used this color, and it already looks like I've used like a lot of it, but that's okay. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to blend it out again. I need a mirror. I mean, I don't need a mirror, but it helps when you have a mirror. And so that is the eye look. So then the next step is eyeliner. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. charcoal liner. Okay, so I just did the eyeliner off the camera because I'm really bad at eyeliner, and if it was on camera it would not looked good, but this is all I did for the eyeliner, just a thicker line across it, and I didn't do a wing because I'm not good at wings, so that's the end of that. And so then I'm gonna take mascara. I almost just went right to lips, but you can't forget mascara. I mean, you could, but foundation because it's a very important step. So this is the Katy Kat Eye mascara. This stuff is really good, but it clumps pretty easily. So you just have to be careful of that when you use it, but I love it. Okay, so that about wraps up this video. I'm gonna just use this L'Oreal Paris Glossy Balm in Vintage Rose for my lips. I just dropped my hair. And that's about it for this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like doing makeup, so I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe are gonna recreate this look later. And so yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. This is XOXO signing off.